Right, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You know why I'm excited? Because the feedback I had from last week, Friday, 7:30 p.m. free session in trading the stock market. Oh, the feedback was amazing. And I can't wait now to give you more content. Now, so many people said, Marlon, I needed more, I needed more. So what I'm going to do is this Friday again at 7:30 p.m. I will be doing another free session, and guess what, guys? I'm going to even simplify the strategy for you. So it's just like step one, step two, step three. It's 3 steps to put a trade on. Now, also, I took some trades in that session, and after that session, I'm going to show you those trades and how they're performing. Because for me, I am someone who's upfront. I'm going to show exactly as it is. I'm not going to hide anything at all from you because I want you guys to be successful at making money. And let me tell you something. You know, for a lot of us, like me, you know, I couldn't afford the big money fee to pay for trading courses and all that. And that's the reason why I'm the man who's going to make that possible for so many people out there who really want to learn but don't have the big funds to be paying for courses. So guys, if you really want to learn how to trade the stock market, then come and see me this Friday, 7:30 p.m. sharp. It will be a Zoom. All you've got to do is click on the link below. See you on the inside. See you 7:30 this Friday.